decided to show up. This time last year was the last time I've gotten my Trunk Club box. Not because I canceled the subscription, okay? Because they literally just stopped sending me my box monthly. So I low-key thought they kind of just stopped the whole Trunk Club program, because if you didn't know, this is ran by Nordstrom, and I kind of thought that they got rid of the whole Trunk Club box program subscription or whatever. But last month I got an email saying that your Trunk Club box is scheduled to come from this date to this date, and I was like, I'm gonna believe it when I see it. The email I got was a preview of my box, and I was like, is this for real? Is this for real? And then next thing you know it came at my doorstep for the first time since a year. And all the clothes that you are receiving are from Nordstrom, so you can definitely find it on their website. So if you decide that you don't want to keep an item, but later on you want to buy it, you can just go on their website and search it, and it's on there. Alrighty, let's get it cracking. My mouth hurts.
So the first thing that I got from my Trunk Club box is from Steve Madden, and it's the faux leather shoulder bag. And this is a very interesting shoulder bag, I would say. The inside is pretty roomy, so you can definitely fit quite a few things in there, which is good for me because I do like to kind of stuff my bags even if they're small. The layout of this bag is quite different. On the straps, there's two huge knots on the end of the straps. I don't know, it just looks very different, but also cute. But I'm not a huge fan of shoulder bags, so I did not keep it at all. Next thing I got is this knitted jacket from BB Dakota by Steve Madden. And this is honestly a pretty cute jacket. The color is very cute, but it is very light and thin, which won't keep you that warm in very cold weather. But this is perfect to layer, so you can definitely layer on top of this. The jacket has pockets, which is always a plus in my book. I love a jacket with pockets. All jackets should have pockets, okay? And I love the layout of this jacket. This is probably one of my favorite layouts for a jacket. I did wish it had like a button or maybe like a strap to kind of close the jacket, just in case you're going somewhere and it's super windy. You don't want the jacket to flying away like a cape, But yeah, I honestly would have kept this, maybe, possibly, had it been a little bit more thicker, so that way I can wear it to the city, okay? But yeah, I wasn't 100% in love with this, so I did not keep it at all. So the next thing I got is from Endless Rose, and it's the long sleeve crop blouse. And when I saw this in my preview, I was like, okay, this is giving me model off duty type of look. But when I tried it on, I kind of had some feelings about this top. Although I love the whole concept of it and the color, I wasn't fully in love with it. And let me tell you why. So like I said before, I like the concept of this. This is supposed to be like a blouse, like a button-up blouse that you tied up and scrunched underneath your shirt, okay? But I feel like the way this is designed is very weird, at least on my body. Like, you have one side that's a little bit more tight on me, and the other side is a little bit more baggy. And then if you turn around to the back, you see a lot of bagginess. I feel like it's a lot of leftover fabric that could have been a little bit tightened. And then of course you can unbutton this top, so that way if you want to wear it off the shoulders you can, or if you want to show a little bit more bosoms you can as well. This also has buttons on the sleeve, so you can button the sleeve if you want to, or you can leave it open. So yeah, I didn't keep this. So the next thing I got is from Vero Moda. I probably mispronounced that and I apologize. But I got the knit sweater vest, and the whole knit sweater vest or sweater vest was very trendy back in 2020, I believe, and I have been really loving my sweater vest that I got from YesStyle. I love wearing it to work and whatnot, so I was pretty excited to see this in my preview, but when I saw it in person, I was like, nope, because it was very see-through and it was very fuzzy too as well. So I feel like if I wore it on my skin, it'll probably get like irritated. So I felt like the quality didn't really match the price. That's just it for me, so I did not keep it at all. The next thing I got is from Pistola, and it's the distressed high-waist jeans. And I really like these jeans a lot. Like, they looked great on my body, okay? Because previously I was kind of struggling on trying to figure out what size I am in like pants / jeans. And I just recently found out I'm a 26. So these fit me pretty good. Like, they're tight, but not too tight to the point where like I need to like stretch them out or like, you know, do a whole bunch of squats, I guess. I don't know how people make jeans comfortable, but that's kind of how I do it. The only thing is that it is cropped at the bottom, and I have a whole bunch of cropped jeans already, so I need something that kind of goes like all the way down to like my calf or feet or whatever. So I did not keep these at all, but I will definitely consider purchasing them on Nordstrom.com later on in the future. So the last dress I got is from Free People, and this is giving me body yaddy 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 yaddy. Okay, I absolutely love how I look in this dress, and spoiler alert, I kept it because I loved how I looked in this dress. The only thing I don't like about this dress is the back. There's a huge cutout in the back, which I kind of felt is a little bit unnecessary, but you know, I have long hair, so it'll cover it. I love the design on the bodice like area, or like the bosoms area. I think it looks very cute and whatnot. I also love how I can wear this without a bra on, so it is very comfortable. The straps are adjustable. So yeah, I'm excited to wear this on like dates and like going out and whatnot.
So that is everything that I got in my trunk club box. I am only keeping one item, which is the black dress. I thought it was cute. That looks sexy in it, okay? Yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.